In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Claude not launching on your MacBook. So first things first, you need to make sure you haven't got it running in the background. So what you need to do is click on your Apple logo and go to Force Quit. Now find Claude. Obviously I've got it open for a demonstration, but sometimes it can be hidden in the background, and then just press Force Quit one more time. So now what you need to do is clear your cache. To do this, hold Command-Shift-G and then type this in. I'll leave it in the top line of the description so you can copy it from there. Now press Enter. And then what you need to do is go to the top left corner again and press Edit, select all, File, Move to Bin. So once you've done that, go to your bin, right click on it and press Empty Bin. Now go to the top left corner, press the Apple logo again and press Restart. So if you've done that and it's still not working, just double check you have a good Wi-Fi connection, better yet a wide Ethernet connection. The next thing you can try is clearing the cache on your browser. So I use Chrome, so we use that as an example. Go to the three dots, press Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you've got cached images and files selected, and then select the time frame just before this issue arose, then press Delete Data. If you've done this and it's still not working, what we need to do is delete the app. So just go to Finder, go to Applications, and then search Claude. Now right click on the app and press Move to Bin. Once you've done that, you need to go back to your bin, right click on it, press Empty Bin, then go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and press Restart. Now what you'll need to do is reinstall Claude from your browser. Once you've followed all these steps, Claude should be working again. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.